Do you find yourself looking for a compact and efficient solution for preparing and serving delicious meals with minimal effort? This Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is here to make your cooking experience easier, more convenient, and far more enjoyable. Whether you're cooking a creamy casserole for dinner, preparing a make-ahead dish for a busy week, or bringing your favorite dish to a potluck, this versatile appliance is the perfect tool to help you create delicious meals with minimal hassle. With a variety of features designed to enhance your cooking and serving experience, the Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is not just a slow cooker, it's a must-have kitchen companion. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and why this product might be your next go-to for stress-free cooking. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Compact and efficient 2.5 quart capacity. The Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is designed to serve smaller meals, making it the perfect option for individuals, couples, or small families. With its 2.5 quart capacity, you can easily prepare a variety of delicious meals, including casseroles, stews, dips, and more. Ideal for smaller meals, perfect for dinner for 2 to 3 people, or when you need to make a side dish for a larger meal. Space-saving design, its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly on any countertop without taking up too much space. It's also ideal for bringing to potlucks or picnics without the bulk of larger slow cookers. Number 2. Precision cooking with high, low, and warm settings. This Crock-Pot model features 3 heat settings: high, low, and warm, allowing you to customize cooking based on the dish and your schedule. Whether you're cooking for a quick meal or making something that needs to cook for hours, the precision cooking ensures your food is always cooked to perfection. Number 3. Oven-safe removable stoneware. The stoneware insert of this casserole slow cooker is oven-safe, making it perfect for both cooking and serving your dishes. You can easily place the stoneware insert in your oven to brown or crisp up the top of your casseroles, then remove it to serve directly to the table. This eliminates the need for multiple serving dishes and ensures that your meal stays hot throughout. Number 4. Cook and carry locking lid system for easy transport. One of the standout features of this Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is the cook and carry locking lid system, which allows you to transport your dishes safely without worrying about spills. Whether you're headed to a potluck, picnic, or tailgate party, the secure locking lid ensures that your food stays in place, preventing messes during transit. Number 5. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. After enjoying your meal, cleanup is a breeze. The Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is designed with convenience in mind. Both the stoneware insert and the lid are dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and easy. You won't have to spend hours scrubbing away food remnants or worrying about damaging the parts. Number 6. Perfect for entertaining and meal prep. The Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is not just for regular dinners, it's also an excellent tool for entertaining and meal prepping. Its compact size makes it ideal for preparing side dishes, appetizers, and small meals for gatherings or celebrations. Number 7. Robust and durable materials. The Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is made from durable materials, including aluminum and stainless steel, which ensure long-lasting performance. The stoneware insert is built to withstand both high and low temperatures, so you can be confident that it will hold up to the demands of regular cooking. Why choose the Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker? Compact and convenient, perfect for small families, couples, or entertaining. Versatile cooking options: high, low, and warm settings for customized meal preparation. Oven-safe stoneware for both cooking and serving your favorite dishes. Easy to transport. The locking lid system ensures your meals stay secure during transit. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. No fuss cleaning with dishwasher-safe parts. Perfect for entertaining. Ideal for potlucks, family gatherings, and small dinners. Conclusion. The Crock-Pot 2.5 Quart Casserole Slow Cooker is the ideal appliance for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing flavor or quality. Whether you're preparing a hearty casserole, a side dish, or a dip for a party, this slow cooker offers convenience, versatility, and durability. Its compact size, precise cooking settings, and easy transportability make it a must-have for small families, meal preppers, and anyone who loves stress-free cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.